Validity ng mission order is up to August 2014. So valid pa yung mission order niya.
Okay. Kahit na nawala siya sa RIU, sir. Okay.
As of this time,
Yes, sir.
hindi na valid. Actually, we are not authorized to give mission order. The only way we can bring firearms if you have permit to carry firearms outside residence. Or kung sa amin naman, kapulisan, we are only allowed to possess firearms or have a firearm if we are in complete uniform. Kung nakasibilya naman kami, there should be a letter order from our direct supervisors. So, binagbabawal na po yung paggawa ng mga mission orders ng mga other units. For example, yung mission order galing sa CIDG, galing sa Highway Patrol, at saka iba pa mga units. Bawal na po yan. Hindi po ino-honor po yan.
Okay, sir. Pasensya, sir. Na-confused na ako. Yung